Flight from Tampa arrived in Philadelphia late last night, right before the Florida airport shut down at 12:01 this morning. Travelers are bracing for the storm's potential ripple effect across the country. Action News reporter Corey Davis is watching the flight board at Philadelphia International Airport and joins us live right now. Good morning, Corey.
Hey, Matt, good morning. Yeah, we know how it goes with these storms, and even in other parts of the country, planes will be late, and that will throw the schedules off. So American Airlines as well as Frontier, which is behind us here, they have currently the most cancellations out of Philadelphia to Tampa now that Tampa International Airport is closed. And right next to that, the counter there is Southwest Airlines. We'll be watching that one closely because Southwest is the busiest carrier in Tampa, and disruptions there will be felt nationwide. Cancellations and delays are expected at airports across Florida, and right now Tampa International is the only large airport to announce a full shutdown as the storm approaches that area. So the FAA is already warning about major disruptions across the country, including in Orlando and Atlanta International, which is a major hub. The FAA is also saying Denver could see a lot of delays due to late planes arriving there. Denver is a major connecting point for flights to and from the West. So airlines will, like before, be scrambling to find ways to move planes and flight crews to where they need to be nationwide. So when it comes to dealing with the aftermath, large regions are preparing to need a lot of help after the storm passes. So rescue crews like New Jersey Task Force 1 are being called upon to help. We know that 45 personnel and 16 vehicles are on the road right now heading to Columbia, South Carolina. They'll be staged there, ready to respond whenever needed. So we will be on top of the developments when it comes to cancellations and delays here at PHL. Those numbers, of course, expected to increase across the country with more impacts from the hurricane. But now reporting live here at the Philadelphia International Airport, Corey Davis, Channel 6 Action News. Matt.
Thanks, Corey. Download the 6 ABC app to get the latest updates on Idalia as the storm strengthens. And as we said, it's now a hurricane moving toward the Florida coastline.